wait, let me try it again.
Hey hackers, it's GoldieBlox, and today's video is all about Easter pranks. And I know what you're thinking, Easter pranks? Why? Easter literally falls on April 1st, so prank your family because Easterly love. Also, I have a special guest, Rachel from Snarled.
Oh, hi. I've
Didn't
been
see
here
you
for
there.
weeks.
I got you a present. It's
Oh my God,
I'm just such a good friend with that. Like,
Yeah, you're really sweet.
I just like wanted to give you like a token of like my appreciation.
Yeah, oh my God, that is
Yeah.
so considerate of you.
Right? But like that's like for me, and like I got
This is for me,
Yeah.
because it's like,
Not like a weird thing, it's just like
no,
a
you
germ
rationed
thing.
it.
Yeah.
That
yeah.
looks great.
Right?
That looks delicious. I'm really excited to eat this.
Yeah. How is
That's gross!
Where's this bit bucket?
No, I can soldier on. You can't prank me. I love this. This is what I wanted.
A raw Brussels sprout. Yum. Yeah. Pranked ya.
You sure did.
The
You're
cat-
lucky I never look at the food that goes into my mouth before I eat it. Some people will say that's my greatest weakness, but I think it just makes me adventurous. Let's hack it. Did I do it?
Yeah, you did it.
I feel like I did it.
For this DIY, you'll need mini carrots, Tootsie Rolls, foil wrapped chocolate eggs, purple grapes, and some Brussels sprouts. So basically, just put your fruits and veggies into the candy wrappers. Take said wrapper, you find something gross, mainly edible, because you don't want to like, kill your friends.
Sure.
Put like a Brussels sprout in it, you know, wrap it up. I don't have a Brussels sprout with me because they're gross. Yummy. A Ferrero Rocher.
Ferrero Rocher.
I always butcher the name.
Fancy.
I am so sorry.
Ferrero Rocher.
I'm not gonna eat this because I love myself.
You have
so,
to. You have to. It's like a chef has to taste the food before it goes to the kitchen. A prankster must taste the prank before it goes to the prank. Did that make sense? Cool.
Yeah.
You can do it. It's good for you.
Okay. Healthy. I'm a vegan.
Oh, no, you put the whole thing. You did the whole thing. Wow. That's commitment to the bit, and I really respect it. You can spit it out. You didn't even chew.
I chewed it once
Okay, that's enough.
to get the flavor.
That's enough. Once you chew it once, it
And then-
breaks the seal of the
Yeah,
flavor.
yeah, right?
You know?
It's just like opens it,
Ugh.
rips it open. Then your friends are kind of mad at you and yeah, you know, pranked.
You're right. That's mean. I love it.
Okay, I feel bad. You can have some.
No, I'm full. I'm stuffed. I'm happy with my raw Brussels sprouts. Thank you. I don't want it.
Yes, you did. So the next prank is a card. Yeah, I know I introduced it as a prank, but this actually is a card for you.
Oh, I believe you.
Happens.
Prank is a card. I mean, it's just
I mean, I'm so bad at pranks that take acting. Like, I can't do it.
No. I believe you. Thank you.
Happy Easter.
Do you give cards on Easter? Do you do that?
You could.
That's cool. That's really thoughtful. This shows a lot of really great character, and it means a lot to me that you got me this card.
No, I just feel
Truly.
bad.
That is so nice. Oh my God.
This
so
goes
nice.
for... Ah!
What? You guys have CGI, right?
Yeah, we'll just use that. This prank is called like the flying Easter card. The whole plan of this was you'd be like, ah, and then you would open it and it would be like,
Pop at you.
psh, you know, like that hit you in the face, but like scare you. You have to wind up the rubber band to create tension so it like
Oh, that's smart.
springs, right?
That's actually
It's
really
good
smart.
in theory.
I feel like it can work.
I mean, you could probably like switch the rubber band to like make it more like, you know, it's like, oh, nope. It's technically not a prank, it's like beauty.
It's art.
For this DIY, you'll need glitter wrapping paper, black paint, popsicle sticks, strong wire, a hot glue gun, jewelry pliers, a rubber band, and a round bead. First, cut the bottom wings from thin paper. Cut the top wings with a little extra space to glue around the wire later. Cut and twist the first wire to make a hook, and glue it to the bottom of your popsicle stick. Cut and twist your second wire and glue it to the top of your popsicle stick. Hot glue your popsicle stick to the bottom wings. Wait, we have to hook the rubber band.
You hook the rubber band, got it. You're so crafty.
I hacked my way through life. Now, twist the wings to wind up the rubber band and get ready to make it fly. Or not, in this case.
So I'm sorry that your prank didn't work, but thank you for the beautiful gift.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
And if you want to like hack it at home and like think, if you like make this work, comment down below, like tell me what you did, and then I'll make a, oh, it's a brooch.
I could
It's a
not
brooch.
think of the word for it. You're apparently a 75-year-old woman. So
I
you know what
literally
brooches are.
am. That's what I'm saying.
Thank
And,
you,
like,
Grammy.
You're welcome, honey.
Happy Easter.
I'm gonna go knit myself a beanie.
Do grandmas wear beanies?
Yeah.
Yeah, Grammy.
So I just went to my farm because I have rainbow chickens.
What?
I don't know if you know.
That is some Willy
And like the
Wonka-ish.
awesome thing about rainbow chickens is that their eggs
are hard as rocks.
are not breaking.
You pranked yourself.
You just got pranked.
Look at what you've done to yourself.
This always happens. It's to the point
This
where
always
like
happens. I always
Like, I have
open
to
eggs with glitter in them. This always happens to me. It's prank,
rainbow
though.
chickens don't really exist.
What? You
Pranked you.
lied to me?
A second prank.
Oh man, it's a prank. It's a prankception. Prank within a prank.
Always say "ception."
Like the movie. I know the reference. Glitter's the worst prank because it
No,
never
it
leaves
never-
you. You can shower.
Someone that gets me.
I get
Okay.
you.
Well, I pranked you double.
Well, you
So-
pranked yourself, dude.
I mean, I was trying to get
I'm
the
chilling.
prank. I first of all do not like eggs personally.
Really?
They take. I don't mind it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
It is pretty. Sorry.
I'll give you one.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Pardon me.
So I wouldn't try this. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ah! God,
Oh, that was flippin' awesome!
that felt so good.
That felt great.
It feels
the
nice to-
anger is gone. I'm zen. For this DIY, you'll need food coloring, eggs, tissue paper, gold glitter, some glue, and a nail. First, make a tiny hole with the nail and drain it. Rinse it with water and dry. Let it dry. Can't wait for this prank to get extra messy. I'm so punished. To cover the whole of the egg, cut tissue paper into little circles. Now you can decorate it with gold paint or even temporary tattoos. Drop the egg.
It's kind of sad.
I don't feel
Oh.
bad at all.
You are an agent of chaos, and I really like that about you.
I know.
It's great.
If people come to my house, they know there's gonna be a mess.
This is a straight up rude prank if you do it to somebody in their own home.
Especially with carpet.
And then just leave and be like, ha, got you.
How about you just like slam this all on the ground?
I would love
It's like,
that.
I don't want to do it to myself though.
Well, I'm
Maybe
not going to help you
I'll
clean
give you
up.
one
so.
more to
Really?
just destroy.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
Go for it. No.
Thank you.
Oh,
Did it.
done.
Bye.
Boom, done.
Then you run away.
Yeah.
So they can't ask you to help
Like-
clean up. Just keep running.
Yeah. There's a little
Infinity
sign with like
dream.
on it. I mean, like they're very like hipster eggs. There's birds.
Very
There's some
alternative.
leaves, some like falling rain.
Oh, I love that. It's a very serene thing to then
Very.
break into a million pieces. I feel like that says a lot about you.
That's my life.
Hack it up.
Maybe hack it up.
Hack it up, baby.
Hack
Hack it up, baby. 3 E's.
Hack it up.
Oh man, look at
Someone,
your
like-
floor. Wow.
It's beautiful.
Y'all can't see it, but it
It's
looks...
the yellow brick road over here. And that's all I had for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. How did you feel?
I just feel honored to be part of the Goldie squad now.
Make sure to check out Snarled because her channel is awesome. She
It's
does like
true.
crazy things. She's
Yeah.
crazy.
If you like being crazy, then come check out Snarled.
What is your favorite like prank that we did today?
The most beautiful one is definitely the glitter egg. But I do appreciate that you made me eat a Brussels sprout.
Right?
My mom hasn't been able to do that for years. Congrats.
Comment down below what your favorite was.
Abraca comment.
Subscribe for more videos every Friday where I make a fool of myself. Like today.
Yay! Get notificated.
GoldieBlox
And Rachel.
signing off.
Was I supposed to say it too?